Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of handy kitchen gadgets, and I'm excited to share our thoughts on the electric Whisk Cordless Handheld Milk Frother. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The electric Whisk Cordless Frother is a rechargeable mini mixer designed to make your cooking and baking experience smoother and more enjoyable. With its sleek design and powerful functionality, this frother is more than just a tool for whipping milk for your coffee. It's a versatile kitchen companion that can handle a variety of tasks, making it a must-have for any home chef. Let's highlight some of its most important features. First up, the cordless and rechargeable design. This feature is a game-changer, providing you with the freedom to whisk and froth anywhere without the constraints of cords and sockets. Whether you're at home, on a camping trip, or enjoying a picnic, you can whip up your favorite treats effortlessly. Next, we have the 3 speed settings. This handheld frother offers 3 adjustable speeds, allowing you to achieve perfect consistency for different recipes. The low speed is perfect for blending spices and jams, while the medium speed works wonders for baby food and whole eggs. And for those times when you need to whip cream or egg whites quickly, the high speed has got you covered. This level of control makes it a versatile tool for both novice cooks and experienced chefs alike. Safety and durability are also key features of this frother. The stirring and frothing attachments are made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring that your frothed beverages are safe to consume. This material not only guarantees safety but also promises a long-lasting tool that you can rely on in your kitchen. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a hassle, but with this frother, it's a breeze. The detachable whisk attachments allow for easy cleaning. You can simply separate the whisk from the frother and wash it in warm water or soak it in a cleaning solution. This feature saves you time and effort, making the frother even more appealing for busy cooks. Lastly, the dual head configuration offers even more versatility. With 2 detachable stirring attachments, a flat whisk and a longer whisk, you can tackle various kitchen tasks, from mixing batters to beating eggs and even creating jams. This means you can accomplish more with just one handy tool, making it an efficient addition to your kitchen arsenal. So, who is this frother suitable for? It's perfect for anyone who loves cooking and baking, whether you're a busy parent looking to prepare quick meals, a coffee lover wanting to create cafe-style drinks at home, or a baking enthusiast eager to experiment with new recipes. In practical use, think about making whipped cream for your desserts, blending up a quick pancake batter, or creating a delicious frothy coffee. This frother handles it all with ease, adding convenience to your culinary adventures. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.